Today, we explore the life and strategies of Ray Dalio, a prominent figure in the finance world. From his insights to accumulating wealth, Dalio's journey is inspiring. In this, we'll explore his core principles, dissect his strategies, and learn how you too can improve your financial standing. In this video, we will discuss about From Insight to Riches, Ray Dalio's approach to getting wealthy. Welcome to Moving Up Wealthy, your partner in the journey towards wealth and success. Ray Dalio's Wealth Philosophy, foundation of insightful investing. Dalios' philosophy revolves around understanding the economic machine, believing that comprehensive knowledge of how economies work is critical for successful investments. He recognizes the cyclicality of economies, with periods of growth eventually leading to downturns. Wealthbuildinginsights, the Dalio way. Dalio's process revolves around a 5-step framework that he believes is essential for success in life: setting clear goals, identifying obstacles, diagnosing problems, designing strategies to overcome them, and executing these strategies resolutely. This approach is not limited to wealth building, but can be applied to numerous aspects of life. Insights for wealth creation, bridging wishful thinking and reality. We uncover one of the critical lessons that Dalio imparts: the art of distinguishing wishful thinking from reality. It's all too easy to fall into the trap of believing what we want to be true, rather than facing the reality of a situation. Dalio advises that decisions should be based on accurate information and a realistic assessment of the facts. This principle is especially important in investing, where emotions and biases can cloud judgment. Path to financial prosperity, the power of compound interest. Dalio recognizes compound interest as the world's 8th wonder, emphasizing its remarkable potential to grow wealth over time. He stresses the importance of starting early and maintaining consistent saving and investing habits to benefit from the compounding effect. This principle highlights the value of long-term thinking and patience in building a substantial financial nest egg. Wealth accumulation approach, diversification strategies. Diversification is a fundamental principle in Dalios' investment philosophy. He advocates for spreading investments across different asset classes to mitigate risks and potentially increase returns. By having a mix of assets that react differently to market conditions, Dalio believes that investors can create a more balanced and stable investment portfolio. Ray Dalio's success philosophy, turning earnings into wealth. While earning a high income is undoubtedly a significant achievement, Dalio emphasizes the importance of disciplined saving and investing to convert those earnings into lasting wealth. He recommends setting a significant portion of profits aside for investments that can appreciate over time, aligning with his focus on compounding growth for long-term financial security. Stress, testing ideas, prudent decision-making. Dalios' investing approach revolves around scrutinizing ideas and investment strategies to identify potential weaknesses or susceptibilities. This rigorous examination entails scrutinizing different scenarios and assessing their potential impacts. By conducting thorough stress tests, investors can better prepare for unexpected challenges and make informed decisions based on a wealth of information. Cutting losses and taking risks, overcoming fear. According to Dalio, those who follow his ideology should take prompt action and divest from an investment that shows signs of underperformance. This principle aligns with his conviction of owning up to one's errors and embracing flexibility in response to shifting conditions. Furthermore, Dalio emphasizes the importance of not succumbing to the apprehension of making mistakes, as this fear can impede taking calculated risks that could potentially yield substantial rewards. Embracing reality and adapting, keys to long-term success. According to Dalio, adaptability is a hallmark of his approach to investing. He recognizes that the economy and markets are dynamic and subject to change. Embracing reality and being open to adjusting strategies is crucial for long-term success. This adaptability allows investors to stay relevant and thrive in shifting environments. Navigating economic cycles, the Dalio advantage. Dalio's understanding of the cyclical nature of economies has been a significant factor in his success. He acknowledges that economic cycles are unavoidable, and being prepared for downturns is just as crucial as capitalizing on periods of growth. This perspective enables investors to make more informed decisions and maintain a long-term perspective. Long-term thinking, a sustainable approach. According to Dalio, maintaining a long-term perspective is crucial in navigating the complexities of investment. He advises us to look beyond the short-term fluctuations in the market and instead focus on the bigger picture. This approach is consistent with his philosophy of the power of compounding, which highlights the potential for wealth to grow considerably over time. Dalio believes that investors can achieve tremendous success in the long run by keeping this in mind and avoiding being distracted by short-term market movements. Flexible and adaptable, key traits of successful investors. According to him, flexibility and adaptability are essential qualities for investors to possess. These traits enable individuals to pivot and capitalize on new opportunities when circumstances change swiftly. In the dynamic world of investing, it is crucial to be able to adjust strategies based on constantly evolving market conditions and new information. By doing so, investors can stay ahead of the curve and maximize their potential for profitable returns. Negotiation principles for wealth, effective communication. Dalios' expertise extends beyond investment advice, as he also shares significant knowledge in the art of negotiation. According to Dalio, the key to successful negotiations is effective communication, which involves a deep understanding of each party's motivations and a sincere effort to achieve mutually beneficial outcomes. These principles can be applied in various wealth-building areas, including business deals and partnerships, setting expectations, building effective teams. Dalio emphasizes the significance of ensuring that his team fully understands their expectations and is aligned with the company's objectives. This approach fosters a collaborative and productive work environment, which is essential for achieving individual and collective successes. By establishing clear goals and promoting teamwork, Dalio cultivates a work culture that values communication, accountability, and mutual support. Through this approach, he enables his team to reach their full potential and drive the company towards its desired outcomes. The bottom line. In this conclusion, we summarize the key insights from Dalios' approach to wealth building. His method is founded on insightful understanding, disciplined decision-making, and adaptability. By grasping the economic machine, embracing reality, and maintaining a long-term perspective, individuals can navigate wealth-building complexities. Through stress, testing, cutting losses, and calculated risk. From insightful investing to building lasting wealth, Ray Dalio's philosophy offers valuable lessons for those who aspire to turn insights into riches. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button to join our amazing community and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post new content. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for more great content. Visit our website at movingupwealthy.com and check out our suggested videos. We'll see you in the next video.